You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard Hall.
The old sulfuric nitric bright dips are not really used anymore. They're dangerous, but there are other ways of accomplishing that goal. There are micro etches, acid salts, safer type of peroxide bright dips, but in many cases, you need to cut through the outer layer and get under the lubricant that's peened in, under the oxide layer, and get to a nice clean piece of brass. Most people want to use the mineral acids, either hydrochloric acid with or without fluoride, or a sulfuric acid with or without fluoride as their activation step. But I'll tell you, the mineral acids can passivate lead, and in my experience, it's the organic acids that are much more desirable to activate the base, such as fluoroboric acid. It makes a major difference. So between some sort of etch, micro etch, bright dip step, along with an organic activator, you're going to have much better success with adhering to a copper alloy.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard Hall. Better results, less chemistry.